Welcome guys. Today I'll be showing you guys how to build your own pulley system for your garage gym. So first let's go over the things that you're going to need. You will need one pulley, 30 feet of cordelette, a carabiner. I've included a high rated carabiner as well as a spring link that you can pick up at your local hardware store, still rated to about 200 pounds. You'll need an O-ring, and lastly you'll need to be able to tie an overhand knot on a bite as well as a fisherman's knot. Now to get started, you're going to take your cordelette and you're going to cut a small piece about 2 feet long. Now you can take that cordelette and you can kind of estimate the length that you'll need by just wrapping it around whatever you'll be suspending your pulley off of, and then go ahead and cut, and you can tailor and trim as needed from there. So you're going to take that piece of cordelette and you're going to run one end through your pulley, and then you're going to go ahead and tie that fisherman's knot off to create a closed loop around it. Now once you have that, you can go ahead and sling it around the cross member you'll be using and create a hitch with it. If your cord is too long, this is the time to shorten it up and fine tailor it to the right length. What you don't want to end up with is too much slack so that pulley is hanging extremely low off your cross member, taking up valuable space for you to be doing exercises with. Now once you have that set to the right length, go ahead and hitch it around whatever cross member you'll be using and leave it there. Now you're going to take the remaining cordelette and tie an overhand knot on a bite on one end. Then you'll take the opposite end and pull it through your pulley. Once you've done this, go ahead and pull that overhand knot snug up against the pulley, pulling tension on your rope, and you'll go ahead and take the length of the rope to roughly where your loading pin is going to meet that rope. Then you'll go ahead and tie an overhand knot on that end as well, making sure that you have just a small amount of slack that you're able to clip your loading pin into your rope, but not too much slack that it allows that overhand knot where your cable attachment will be to hang too low. Now all you have to do is hook up your cable attachment, clip the opposite end into your loading pin, and you're ready to use your pulley system. Now, I've used two methods of loading weight onto my pulley system. The first one I'm going to show you is using an O-ring and a piece of your cordelette. What you'll do is you'll take your cord and run it through that O-ring, tying a fisherman's knot like you did earlier, creating a closed loop around it. And then all you have to do is pull that rope through whatever weight you'll be loading, and you're ready to go. The other one is a little bit easier to use, but more expensive. And as you can see here, it's just some pipe that you can find at your local hardware store. You screw that base plate to the pipe, and then you take that cross member and screw it to the top. Now I took a piece of cordelette and ran it through that, tying another fisherman's knot to create a loop so that I can clip into it. And all this does is just helps my weight stand up a little bit straighter, and it doesn't fall over once I've set it on the ground. Now you can buy a similar loading pin like this from Rogue or Sornex, and I'll go ahead and link those in the description below. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you guys want me to make a second part to this video showing you how to create a low pulley system so that you can do cable curls, low rows, things like that, just go ahead and comment below. I'd be more than happy to make that video for you. And again, if you like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.